install this one, scikit-learn library. Almost all of you installed now. Okay, and how many of them got output for other program except the linear regression? How many of them got output? Have you tried for any other program? Logistic or ML or what is the full form of ML or? Multiple linear regression. Okay, multiple linear regression. So this is what for just in order to make the system to learn. Okay, we have to use this one that is called scikit-learn library. So this is the difference between regression versus classification. So regression, what it will do, which will make the regression line, and along with that line, we used to have the whatever the predicted value. That is what the scatter dot. Clear? Just a minute. Regression versus classification. So regression, actually the linear regression line will be there, and along with the line the scattered values will be there. In case of classification, it is also doing the regression as well as which is doing the classification. Okay, classification means nothing. It is just making the group with the help of the some attributes, some properties like that. Okay. So this is what as per the values of the temperature. Regression means which will give only the predicted value. In case of classification, which will give the predicted value as well as which is in not target, which is in hot or cold. Okay, just the classify like on which it is falling. Okay, the category. Understand? Regression analysis, you know very well, like we are taking the relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable, the formula, graph, and what is meant by positive linear regression and negative linear regression? When the x-axis values increase, the y-axis values is increase means then it is called positive line regression, positive line of regression. And whenever the x-axis value is increasing, y-value axis is decreasing means it is called negative line of regression. Okay, so it is dependent value. Okay, dependent value with the help of the independent value or target variable or target value with respect to the predicted value. Okay, so like that. This is what residual I already discussed yesterday also, I think. Okay, we were discussing now the difference of vertical line, the starting from the regression line and whatever the point you are considering, because this all will happen with the help of n number of iteration. It doesn't mean that within the one value or one execution which will use the output to you. Okay, which will comes under the n number of iterations. Okay, so each and every points having some values. So that is what, like the vertical distance. Here you can check it. This one, like predicted value here, actual value is here. The vertical difference between these 2 points. That is what actual minus predicted. I minus y cap. Okay, I means it is called at any instance we can say, or the whatever the particular iteration value. Okay, y means actual value, y cap means it is predicted. Clear this one? The sum of the formula MAE, MSE and RMSE, R square, these all we were discussed. These are the metrics in order to analyze the regression analysis, and the cost functions also we have discussed. And there are popular data set. This also I already told you. Okay, and how to download the data set, actually I didn't inform you. I'm just showing to you one of the things. See, just for example, salary data. Okay, whatever the data set name, because in your program you are using the data set now. In your program you use the data set.
Yes, sir.
Something, for example, sales data set na. That is salary or sales. SALE sales data CSV, right? Like that. Okay. No. Okay. Whatever it is. Okay. Anything. I will go for previous one only. Okay, so just click on this. Actually, which will come goggle or hit curve. Okay, here both any one of the things you can take. Okay, so after clicking this, see right side top corner you can identify the download option. Okay, in this code also available. If you want to click code, see you will get the code also, and here you can get the Python code also. It is lot of things available. While clicking Python code, you have to select any one of the, for example, car price prediction like that. Okay, see you will get everything. Clear? Data and this all, how to create data frame, this all. Like that you will get the information. It doesn't mean that you will not get the information. Okay, but thing is that you have to understand, you have to use for the appropriate things. Okay, you cannot use the data set, particular data set into the all model. Okay, it is not possible. And similar way, you cannot implement the model for single, each model for single data set. There are some appropriaties there. Based on that, you have to move. Clear? I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Okay. Then implementation, as I already told you, the pre-processing steps not included over here. Okay, what is meant by pre-processing steps? Data processing, data cleaning, these are. Okay, that is not implemented over it. Directly, machine learning part it is given. One is first what you need to do, import the libraries, initialize our linear regression model, then fitting the linear regression model and predict the test set result, and previous like pre-processing and as well as after the machine learning. After the machine learning, it is called visualization. Dharani, what are you doing? Okay, already one is going on. Okay, clear this one? So now you've gone through the steps also, linear regression. Okay, any doubt we can discuss. And this also we can discuss, just drag and drop. Okay, this is Microsoft Azure no code platform. That means it's like a drag and drop. Okay, so just drag and drop, and whatever the connection you have to make after connection, you have to go for the split data. What is meant by split data? Splitting the data into training set and test set. Okay, what is the need to split? Why you need to split? In order to provide testing data, because testing data can be provided physical input like that. What we can say, as per the current input, if you are using as a camera or like that, so directly you can give the test data. Okay, based on the samples which we are giving, based on that the prediction will be take place. Otherwise, for example, you don't use camera, you are not able to provide the real-time data into the system, then you can keep some portion or some of the data, some particular percentage of data act as a test data. Okay, from the original data you can split. Is it clear?
Yes.
So next we are going to, like we discussed about the logistic regression. So logistic regression, it is also one of the regression type only. Okay, not classification type. Is it a classification or under classification? It is logistic regression. Okay. So how it will classify? Based on the threshold value. If it is above the threshold value, then it is put it into the group of ones. Okay. If it is less than the threshold voltage, threshold value, zeros group. Okay. So we are having either 1 or 0 or yes or no. Okay. Like spam or not spam, like that it is there. Okay. So based on that. So that is what about this graph.